Hey everybody, my name's Destin. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a affordable slash drugstore makeup look. It's obviously full glam, very pretty simple also. All the products that you see can either be found at the drugstore or online for a very low price. So if you guys want to see this look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm already prepped and primed. So the first thing I'm going to go in with today is my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. And I'm just going to take a damp beauty sponge. This is from Tarte. I just dab this in. Never forget the ears. Alright, the next thing I'm going in with is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. And now I'm just gonna blend that out with my beauty sponge. Next product I'm using is the Coty Airspun. It's the only setting powder I use. I mean, it does the job for me. It always, makes me look airbrushed, and I just spilled shit everywhere. I'm just gonna take a tapered brush. This one is from e.l.f. It's called the highlighting brush, and set underneath my eyes and everywhere I apply the concealer. I only apply a light amount because if I apply too much of this, like you can see like the powder and it just looks really dry and really gross. I'm gonna do my brows off camera because it sort of takes a little bit, and my mirror is gonna be all up in the way, so just sit tight. Okay, so for the brows, I use this Infallible eyeshadow from the drugstore because I don't have any pencils at the moment. And then I cleaned them up with the same concealer I used earlier. Next, I'm taking my Morphe 35O palette, and I'm taking the shade right here, all through the crease. On this big fluffy brush by BH Cosmetics, it's the number 12. I'm grabbing a more defined blending brush, and I'm going into this shade right here, lighter, and carrying it above that transition. Blend it out a little bit more. Next, I'm taking this shade right here on the same brush and further defining the crease. Also pulling it into the lash line of the lid. I'm using both circular and windshield wiper motions. Next, I'm taking a Maybelline Color Tattoo Metal in the shade 55 Inked Pink and applying that all over the lid using a flat brush. Oh, this is pretty. I love it. Now I'm grabbing this brush by e.l.f. It's like a flat shader brush. And I'm gonna set that cream with this shade in the Morphe 35O palette. Next, I'm taking a more defined blending brush and going in with this shade here. Popping this on the outer corner to add more dimension. Let's do some contouring, right? So for the bronzer, I'm taking this soft focus finishing powder from Black Radiance. It looks really gross, so I'm not gonna show you guys. Also applying some at the temples, a little on the forehead, and on my jawline. forget to apply foundation in this ear? I think I did. Easy fix. Next, I'm taking an angled brush and dipping into the True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance. I hold the brush like this. Now I'm just taking my setting powder and my sponge and I'm gonna clean up underneath the contour. Now I'm just gonna let that sit there for just a second. Well, I'm gonna grab the blending brush I was using earlier, pick this shade right here on my lower lash line. I think I might just bring the shadow that's on my upper lid and pop it in my inner corner. Sort of just continue on. Interesting. Let's see, sort of blend it out a little bit. Next, I'm gonna brush off my bake. Awesome. Next, I'm going in with highlighter and I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. And I'm using the same brush I used earlier. It's a clean one. The BH Cosmetics number 12. I sort of overdo it on the highlighter all over my face. I'm gonna try, you know, be normal today. And I also like sort of bring it up this way. By the way, this highlighter is in the shade Crown of My Canopy. Okay, so for my nose contour, I'm going back into the Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm using the middle Sculpt shade. On this shader brush, applying it down the sides of my nose. Now I'm just going in with a small blending brush from e.l.f. Now back with the highlighter, I'm applying it on the tip of my nose and down the bridge. I'm applying a little bit above the brow. I really just love to glow everywhere. Now I'm gonna apply lashes, which are the Allure by Nicole Guerrero. But I don't have the box. I've used them like twice, so this is what they look like. I'm using the Duo Lash Glue. Now, I don't have a drugstore mascara at the moment, so just go on with any mascara you have. It honestly makes no difference. Okay, now last but not least, I am taking my favorite lipstick at the moment, number 840 from L'Oreal, and it's Nature's Blush. Okay, that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and look in the description for all of my social medias. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you later.